all the condensing units are on the rooftop.
Condensing units. What's for our ventilation for the common area? Is this a supply fan?
That's a
Like
return
a
air.
return air?
Yeah, that one right there would be your supply.
The supply, okay.
There's also another one around the corner.
What are we using for the?
Fan coils that are in this room. There's a fan coil in HRV. I put one on top so you can kind of see.
Okay.
The shut-offs right there for the fan coil. So that's the electrical disconnect.
So for this fan coil, how many floors does it supply?
Just this one.
Just this one?
Yeah.
Okay. For the other floors?
We
From
each
floor?
have two, except for the third floor that has three.
Oh, so we have separate fan coils per floor?
Per floor and per section.
And the condensers are all on the rooftop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is the filters here?
So the filter it's not in right now, but the filter would
They're going around the
Will be
column.
coming from the return air vent? right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So the everything's
These are
just
the
one
filter
return
drills
air.
for your return air to the units. There's two knobs on the end. They fold down like a door, filter fits in, you fold it back up, do them up, that's it.
Okay,
That's
so
where
the
your
filter
return
is
air
coming
filter
from
is.
here.
Mhm.
Okay. And this would also be the supply for the common room? Oh, okay.
How often you require to replace it? Like every 6
Well,
months?
we'll go into that once I do my spiel yet. Okay, above here, you have an HRV.
Okay.
You take up this tile, bottom door opens up. Okay, you'll be able to get to your filters that are in there, that are washable filters, and your core. Okay, filters and maintenance on all all HRVs should be done quarterly. Okay,
Quarterly?
If you want, you
Okay.
can pop your head up.
because you're drawing outside air, so you're picking up the dust, everything else.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so the filters are gonna get dirty. The one side, the intake. Your exhaust, well, depends how much dust is in the building.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so the HRV is recovering a percentage of your exhaust,
So that white box is the
okay,
HRV.
and putting it
one
back
above
into
your
the
head is
building
the
via
air.
feeding the fan coil, and then it blows it through the rest of the building, adding your fresh air in, and
Uh-huh.
you're adding your fresh air to the building, right, for this floor.
Okay.
Okay? That's about it.
The core should be washable once a year, you're saying?
Once a year, the core should be pulled out, inspected, make sure it's dirty, because it's a cross thread, so you go, if you gotta wash them, it's just regular water, mild soap detergent. If it's that bad, usually just use water with a garden hose one way, it'll come out clean, flip it 90 degrees, go the other way, and it'll wash the cores going either way. And all they do is the air passes on the plates and picks it up. If they get too much dust, then they don't recover it.
Where the outlet, the
Something the same
electrical
with
outlet
it.
where the HRV is connected? So I don't have a separate.
Oh, no, yeah, no, I just.
There's a little hose on the bottom of it.
So what FCU per floor would have an HRV as well? So it's always like a combination.
Yeah.
You mentioned that there's a 2 fan coil unit. Does it have 2 HRV as well? Okay.
And they're pretty much all in the bathroom.
Bathroom,
Yeah, all are in the bathroom except for the one fan coil that's in the mechanical room.
On 3, yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. That's the third floor that has 3 units. We'll see when we get down there.
Yeah, this is the one floor that's a little different than all the other ones. A little bit less here. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know what that is.
But he said that we will ask him as the electrician.
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure actually. Interesting because the showers are
Why is it not from here?
Locking for this door, we should have a button, right?
I'm still working on the articles.
Or just manually lock? There's no push button to lock. Oh, probably this one.
Which one?
So you remember when you have a
here. Yeah.
ADO, you
No.
have to have a lock
Yeah.
for your washroom.
That electrical stuff should be
For that,
the
okay.
electrical, yeah.
For your shrubs. And
Okay.
we'll cut that
That's
hole for that,
supply.
and we'll see how we get it on.
Is there like a separate exhaust just for the building itself, or it goes all to their own FCU per floor?
Yeah, exactly. Own FC per floor.
That would also be true for the washrooms, right?
Correct.
So it will just, where's fresh air coming from?
Outside.
I mean, do we have a separate duct for our fresh air? Oh, so this is connected to a fresh air duct?
Yes.
Okay, okay, that.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's
It's for the door operator.
sounds.
Oh.
I'm about to make a lot more
Probably,
damage
no?
to this bathroom thanks to access that.
So just don't put the shroud on them.
And would you know where the opening for that fresh air duct is?
Leave it
For
right under the
floor?
I believe it'll be probably on that side of the building.
Okay, it won't be on the rooftop, right?
Unlikely, yeah.
It's side of the building.
Yeah, so cell phone, sinks, cell
Other buildings, we do have an ERV on the rooftop. And then that's basically our ventilation for all floors. So
Oh, yeah.
it will be the first time that we will have like a dedicated FCU just per floor.
Oh, yeah.
So we just have to take note. And some of them are located inside the apartment units, bathroom, right?
Right,
I think
yeah.
that's what I saw.
Yeah. For here, there is, yeah. Yeah.
How about, oh yeah, we'll go there when we go to the apartment unit.
Okay.
I'm playing games with you, man, it's not on your desk. I went back and I'm like, why is the thing right here? It's like, it's great.
So return air,
Uh,
fresh air,
supply.
supply, return. Switch. Oh, it's on occupancy sensor. This will be a electrical room.
Just like janitor's room.
So this is roof.
Oh, cleaners can hide on the roof. Exhaust.
So there'll be a damper.
It's a fire.
Fire damper.
Well, it's a fire alarm. Is that a damper? Yeah, it's a damper too. Yeah.
That's the damper, fire alarm.
Fire alarm and damper.
This is a condensate for what?
From the fan coil and that.
Go there, oh, okay.
Comes all the way back to here and drains into there.
Drains all the way. Oh, okay, it drains here. Okay.
Oh, so we can blow, for example, if you need to clean, if it's stuck with this pipe, we can actually blow from here.
Yeah, you could.
It sucks or something.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hot and cold, the red and the green.
It's push to test, test for.
I would say probably the fire damper.
For testing.
That green got pushed to test. I would say it looks like an actuator for the fire damper would be my very educated assumption. Tyler?
It has the red and the green button for LED.
Right.
Oh, up there.
Yeah, and that's the fire damper.
Right.
And it's connected to it, so I'm assuming that's just a test for the fire damper.
Well, yeah, just say push the test, so yeah.
Yeah. I wasn't sure if you guys installed it or not.
I'm not too sure if we did that, but.
Okay, stays closed until there's a button on the side of this black box. Did you see the small junction box beside the motor?
Yeah.
There's a button on it, that's where you reset it. So it resets, goes back to the normally open position, and stays there until the next fire alarm sets it off.
Oh, so we have to manually reset it
Yes.
once it triggers, okay.
It also works on heat, so if the heat gets up to fire temperature 165, it also sets it off.
Okay. Good to know that we have to manually set it.
It's a manual reset, yes.
There's a little black bar on the side there.
Nope.
Light works.
Each electrical room would have that one?
Every space that has a fire damper with air going from the corridor into the room has a smoked fire damper.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if it triggers the whole build, if we have a fire alarm for the building, it triggers
It
all of
won't
the.
trigger those.
It won't trigger.
No.
So only if this one.
Only if this room here gets
Okay.
smoke in it,
Mm-hmm.
then it will trigger it.
Okay.
Okay? If this room had a heat buildup of 165 degrees that hits the exhaust, it would shut it down.
So if you know,
So at any time you
independent-
lose your exhaust in here, check it.
It's replaced. It's put here because electricity room here, or what sense? I mean, like make it here in this room.
There is a sensor right there, that
Yes,
is a
that-
smoke detector.
yeah, yeah.
It detects smoke. Behind that box, that little 3.5 by 2 junction box, in behind it is a heat detector. It detects heat, which has got a manual reset on it.
Are you asking why it's even in this room?
Yeah,
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 I think
exactly. Why in this room? I mean, like it should sneeze like everywhere or something.
I think,
Like
I think he
everything.
mentioned about
Any
fire code.
hole that passes from a zone that's a classed as a janitor's closet, which has to be fire rated, because you're gonna have chemicals, whatever in here, so now it has to be fire rated. So all these wire doors are fire rated, everything is fire rated. So it needs a smoke detector and it needs a fire damper.
Yeah, yeah,
Before you used to just have fire dampers, okay?
yeah.
Majority of aspects now, you can't just put a fire damper in, you have to put a smoke fire damper in.
A smoke fire damper.
Yeah. So, that's code.
And this is exhaust, right? It's not
It's
supply.
exhaust
It's an
going
exhaust.
back to your HRV.
Going back to HRV.
Yeah, the HRV is exhausting it.
Okay.
Okay, so this heat exchanger, how's called?
This man can explain it all.
Oh, okay, okay.
Sorry.
Oh, there's a fire over there. It's crazy.
Oh,
That was 2.5 weeks ago.
Oh, wow.
okay.
What's up?
Yeah, so this is how's called heat exchanger,
Yeah,
like
the heat pump.
heat pump. Oh, heat pump, yeah.
Yeah.
Per each floor.
Yeah, so there's 2 per floor, except for the 5th floor that has 1 and the 3rd floor that has 3.
Mm-hmm. So okay. Why is it different? Like this and this?
So these 3 are the heat exchange, right?
4.
4 of them? Yeah, the 4
Yeah,
are the
4
heat
of them.
exchange. These are your condensing units,
Ah.
which would be your air conditioning for all the suites and main corridors.
Okay, okay. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
So you have 6 up here, you have 6, you got 8 suites here.
Yeah.
And we have not
Just have to do with
any
line set
enter.
lengths and stuff too.
Yeah.
Allowable lengths for each one.
Yeah, I see we have a hole here for like to wash window. Yeah,
What, sorry?
like when we need to wash window.
There's no,
But yeah, I mean we have.
no, that's an emergency overflow for if it gets too much rain.
Ah,
it'll
emergency.
dump out
over-
there.
Okay.
That's all that is.
It's not for that. Okay.
No.
Okay. How, for example, guys can, in case we need to wash like what window.
There are no tie-off points up here at all. They would have to bring a machine out and do it from the ground.
Mm-hmm.
They can bring out like a 60-foot JLG and wash them off the lift.
Yeah, actually, it's not
Please don't go near the edge.
not too high. Yeah.
Yeah, no, you're not allowed near the edge.
Yeah, sure. sure.
Security camera.
You got one there. You have one
Also, that's it. That is
in that far corner, that blue wire there.
Okay, facing the door here.
Little tree that's
And then you'll have one right above the door there.
Okay.
And then there's actually a wire on the deck for a camera too in the corner.
Okay.
It's hidden behind the wood, you can't see it right now, but it's actually in the very corner of the wire there. That's for a camera.
For the camera. Okay. You know when I'm installing it? With the camera.
Just saw that and left.
Not 100%. They can come almost anytime.
Okay, fine.
In apartment.
When you asked me, they're like difficult. Literally. The mechanical door on the second floor. So that's the closest.
So what kind of heating system we have here? Heating and cooling for the apartment units? Fan coils, okay. So is that the heat pump system? Yeah. Is it produces heat as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Sunbit, right?
What was the question?
Sunbit's heat pump, or that's just on the house?
I don't remember how many are heat pumps. I thought they were all AC only, were they?
Yeah, the house is heat pumps, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's-
These are not.
These are AC only because you got other means of heat.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So what's the heating for this particular
Fan
unit?
coil.
Oh, the fan coil is? Okay.
Yeah, there's a fan coil in
Yeah,
all
great.
8 of these suites in this building. So all 8 of these are fan coil with an HRV in every suite.
And that do cooling and heating at the same time? Oh, okay. For heating, is it that's an electric coil?
Electric coil.
Electric coil heating type, okay. Then it has its separate condenser on the rooftop.
Correct.
So even on your units on the second floor, third floor, all the condensers will be on the rooftop?
Correct.
Okay, okay, nothing on the side of the
Yeah.
building?
And then when we hit the old house, those condensers are on the side of the old house where the existing ones used to be.
So basically we will have the same system like 207 and
Yeah, it's the same water, yeah.
but the difference, each unit has an HRV as well.
Correct.
Okay. So supply.
That's the supply, correct. The return is the big one right in the hallway. Whenever you see the big one like that, those are the returns, everything else is the supply.
And that's where our filters will be.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sounds like the week of the 7th.
Okay, so all our dishwashers will be directly connected, hardwired.
They're hardwired and they'll just connect to the sink for water and drain.
Oh, well, that's different.
It's a research, right?
Exhaust outside.
It's also outside? Oh, okay.
Oh, really? Oh, nice.
Okay.
Oh.
That's the only one we have for our building.
How we have maintenance every year? Clean this exhaust pipe or house? Because it's
I
dust
mean,
or?
depends what kind of cooking you got going on in here, but I would say,
That's why that tree, you gotta be
yeah, maybe.
so that they kind of do it else. I don't know.
Is it connected to just one vent pipe and these
Yeah,
are branches?
just straight outside. I would
Straight
say you
outside.
probably don't need to clean the pipe, but this filter probably
Yeah.
needs to be cleaned. Pull that out.
Oh, straight up.
Yeah, every single one, it's like the exact same.
Okay.
So every single one has like maybe 6, maybe 8 feet of pipe.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. It's not connected to a main pipe?
No.
Like it's not branching?
It's just.
I heard that during my last tour here,
Yeah.
and I didn't get it.
So that paint would be pretty much anything metal. So there and at this wall, this detail here, that's the same thing where it's that intumescent.
Questions about the streetlight will be on the
Yeah, all the lights will be on.
Yes. 1.4.
Yeah, I was just on my downtown.
Do we have a limit on our cooling and heating? Is it set on a certain temperature? Like for example, just 24, it can go all the way up?
There was parameters that Bo wanted. I'm not sure exactly what they are, but you guys should be able to access the set points and set them.
If you have the main program.
Yeah.
So it's
No, you can't do it that
programmable.
way. Can't do it that way. Okay, these thermostats, once you have the book,
Okay.
you hold the positive plus,
Okay.
then you went to ICU, you're gonna go to select, then you go to the parameter number,
Hey, Mark.
which I don't know which one is the parameter number on
In a walkthrough on the 4th.
it. So,
So we would have a manual for that?
For sure.
well, there's a
Okay.
programming manual, yeah, there should be, they'll be giving you whoever supplied them will give you, as soon as you've done to run it, whenever you changed it, it'll go all the way back to the done, wait till you get to the done, then push to home. If there was a change made, it automatically go to settings.
These can be changed from Fahrenheit to Celsius too?
Well, you just set your temperature, maximum set temperature, right now the maximum set temperature, if they're back in set point, it non-programmed into it, it's 30 degrees, they can put it up to for heat and they can put it down to 11 degrees for cooling. You wanna lock it so they only go 22 degrees heat,
Yep.
right, maximum, and 19 degrees cooling. That's Manitoba housing specs, so.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
He can,
This is HRV.
you know the rest on the thermostat, you want me to go for it?
I don't know about the program, but I.
This is for the HRV.
Okay, that I'll get to. Okay, so these thermostats, you know how to operate them, or I need to go through to show you how to operate them? For the
Just
control
show it to
panel.
us, yeah.
Okay, you got your mode button. You push your mode button, it's gonna go to off, it's gonna go to heat, or it's gonna go to cooling.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you only have the heating on and the cooling on.
No fire cooling.
There is an automatic setting on there, but you don't wanna have it on there because some of you will put it in cooling in the middle of the winter. It'll probably work because there must be low ambience on the condensers, so they're not gonna run below a certain temperature. I'm not sure what the specs were on this job because I've not the units. So you'll put that, that's all that does. So whatever season you're in, you're gonna want the heating on. Okay, set points are right here and here. Okay, right now somebody's got it set for 82. So we'll set it down to 72 or 71 degrees, right, for the heat. Probably lower than that because you don't want it on. 68 degrees heat because it's over here, right? So he won't come on until 68 degrees. Okay, so that's their buttons. Once it's flashing, now it's flashing right now in the corner. It just turned off. It'll flash on that corner. There's a 5-minute time delay. So when it goes in, it'll keep on flashing for 5 minutes before anything will start. Once the 5 minutes are up, the light will come on full saying, yes, you have, it is in the heating mode, if it was calling for it, or the cooling mode. Okay, you have your menu button. It is on hold right now, okay? Okay, because there's no schedule on. So you're gonna push your menu button, it goes program, okay? You wanna do the programming in it. You set there, you can turn it on, or you could say, I don't want the unit, the thermostat to have any program. I want them to be able to set it 24 hours a day, whatever they want. Okay, you're probably better off because there's so many people with fingers once you're renting. You turn off the programming so it's not on there, and then you already got your settings at 22 to 18 or whatever that they can keep it up. So you're not going to waste a bunch of heating or cooling. Okay. So once you've done that, you've selected it. So you select again, and it's saving because I turned it off.
Okay.
Okay. Then you go back. You can also get down now once the program, so you go to the next one. That's to set the time. So you hit select, you set the time, select again, there's the date, put select, it'll tell you so you can put in your year, your month, date, okay? You go home, okay, so that's all you can do in there. Okay, your programming for on, off, your time and your date. Then you go to the next one, this is your button, all it does is turn the fan on continuous or off. Okay, right now it is running, I just turned it so it's gonna be running all the time.
Okay.
So now the fan is gonna be running all the time. I don't think you need it, but, okay?
Very often people use this for some reason.
Yeah.
I don't know, tenant
So I put it back in the automatic mode.
Okay.
Okay?
That's the automatic.
So if you got a complaint, somebody saying, my fan never shuts off, okay? The thermostat's been turned on, okay? Go roll, again. Okay, it's an on. What it should be done is put down into low speed,
Okay.
okay? So what it's gonna do now, it's gonna control at low speed all the time, which has been air balanced to meet the amount of air that you need to supply to this space. Okay?
Yeah.
So it's all been balanced. So it runs at low speed. Your humidity will only be used in the winter. Okay, this is a dehumidification. So you're gonna hit it. You're at 20%, hit it again. That's 30%, 40%, 50%, 60% humidity. If the humidity ever went over the set point, that unit will automatically turn it to high speed until it's brought down to humidity.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Okay.
but it's usually for winter because winter we have a
Yeah.
very low humidity.
Okay? So in the summertime, you can leave it off because it's never going to dehumidify.
Okay.
You're going to increase the humidity in the space because the outside air humidity is high. So you're going to be turning on high, giving it a high load of air coming in, which is high humidity. It's still going to bring in the higher humidity at low speed, but that's giving them fresh air. Okay? So you leave that on low. So that's how you leave that switch. Okay? Now, it is your guys' choice, doesn't call them the specifications. If you don't want them touching you, you get yourself a lock and cover, which they'll probably break off, but it's tamper-proof.
Okay. Is it possible to control it somewhere from through BMS or like?
If you had BMS, yeah.
If you had that, you didn't.
We don't have it here.
We don't
No,
have it.
you don't have any of that in here. None of these wires, none of these units were ordered for BMS control, so timer switch on the wall. You hit it once, it'll turn it on to 20 minutes. The unit will change to a high speed for 20 minutes. Okay, as you hear it picking up. Okay, that'll run for 20 minutes while they're having a shower. After the 20 minutes, it'll shut down and go back to low speed. If they want longer, now it'll run for 40 minutes. Now it'll run for 60 minutes.
Yeah.
Now, if you see this and somebody complains that that button has been held for a certain length of time, and you're gonna see, now all of a sudden it started to flash. Okay, that first one, that means the button is locked.
Okay.
You can hit this, do whatever you want, it's never gonna turn on. It's locked in.
Okay.
I have numerous round of calls for HRVs that don't work on the bathroom control. Okay? Because when it was in the opposite,
It's something like 5-10 second hold.
somebody held it for 5 seconds
5 seconds.
and locked it in and off, so it'll never turn off and on. There, now you're back at 60 minutes.
Or is this
Okay.
1 minute then?
Yeah, so now if it's in that position, they held it for 5 seconds to 10 seconds, it would lock. And it would lock it, that control will never work.
Okay. And how it goes back to its original setting?
How it goes back, you
Yeah.
push that button and hold it, and you unlock it, okay?
You just push it again for
Yeah,
another
now
5
when you're
seconds.
going, now you're on
Yeah.
40 minutes. After
Okay.
40 minutes, the thing will go back to off.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. So that thing is controlling the HRV, the
Yes,
same
it
HRV.
is. The high speed of the
high speed.
HRV. To
This
get rid of
HRV are ducted, like the pipe goes all the way up.
ducts into here.
Okay. So we don't need to do any changeover here. So basically, they just use the thermostat for either heating or cooling.
That's right.
Okay.
And then the HRV turning it on to dehumidification.
Okay. For cooling, what temperature?
To the, mounting it and having the control contractor come back to wire it into his wiring system.
What is the brand of our FCU? Is it Daikin or
Brand of the fan
Mitsubishi?
coils?
The fan coils. and the
different.
condenser.
That's the manufacturer.
1:30. Okay. I only have half an hour left.
Half an hour left? Okay. Shut-offs? Where are the water shut-offs for apartment units?
So each fixture, first off, has its own shutoffs.
Yes.
Obviously, underneath it.
You have to do.
And again, all valve locations are marked on the as-built, so you will get a set of drawings that shows where everything is.
Yeah.
Anything that wouldn't be accessible through drop ceiling, or be an access panel for.
How was the design for that one? So each shut-off valves, just one shut-off valve for all the units, or is it for individual units? Individual units, okay.
Okay, one more thing here before you guys take off. Just make sure they clean the filters. Because if they don't clean that filter on the bottom, all that grease that goes through it goes onto the pipe. And there's no smoke detector and there's nothing on there. So.
Okay.
So I'm just not familiar. So is it fan coil going to the HRV or? Do you have anything?
Same HRV, the core, once a year, pull it
Once
up,
a
just
year,
like
core.
the other ones, yeah. The fan, or sorry, the,
What we'll do is when we get downstairs, we can get downstairs to the basement, I'll open up one and show you.
Okay.
yeah.
Because that one's accessible right now, we're taking out tiles and everything else.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
And every one of the suites now that I showed you is all typical.
Same way.
Nothing changes.
And then just one more thing here. Okay.
Do you want to leave this in heat?
Unit
Because it should be doors here, yeah? Oh,
but we'll do it on the
okay.
efficiency.
I think blinds should be with doors installed. So this is valve to close water, yeah?
Goes for the fifth floor.
For the fifth floor.
Kitchen.
Oh, it's here. Okay. Fifth floor kitchen.
We have to turn off that light.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay. So very
Totally different unit. There's a standard condenser Nothing's back with the residential.
Something's leaking here.
So this is just another office.
Yeah, nothing but really bad.
That's a good.
Okay, that's similar to that
That
mop
we-
sink.
Mop sink, yeah.
Same as a mop stick.
Mop sink fifth floor.
That is your smoke dampers going back on. That's the green head control pan. So that is operating back to a variable speed exhaust fan that is mounted somewhere. Okay. Again, that's all set and programmed. The red light's on because it's not running right now. So whether the power is turned off to it or whatever is turned off to it, when it's running, the green light will be on. There is a reset button on it in case it went off because of alarm.
Which we did have the fire alarm go off earlier, so we have to reset them all again. My sprinkler guy showed up, fluctuated the system, and
Yeah.
set the whole thing off.
The reset is this one, the black button, right?
Correct.
The red one, okay.
Yeah.
Well, with this one is wired into.
It's actually the big red button on the top right.
Yeah, but there's
Press
also
that,
one
that should
on the
reset.
damper. That's resetting your damper itself.
Damper itself.
That's another controller that's operating a fan system or whatever. I'm not sure what it's operating. Okay.
That's the fire alarm control.
Yeah, so that's the
for
fire alarm
actual
control. So
damper.
they've got, on this one here, you've got this hit, that hit, that hit.
Okay.
You got 3 buttons here. You reset that one. If the smoke was set off in this room, or the fire was in this room, then both those dampers have to be set. Reset with a button. Because those ones are not, the buttons on the side of the dampers are not tied into the fire alarm system. Okay? They put an override in to tell if the alarm goes off, it's gonna automatically shut down, every single one.
So,
But if they have, the sensors in this haven't gone off, they'll open up automatically. If they don't open up automatically, it's because these buttons have to be reset.
So each annual life and fire safety inspection, we have to reset those dampers.
You won't have to reset the 2 buttons because there was
Not the
nothing
two.
to set it off.
Okay.
Only the center red.
Only the center one, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I just have to take note of
From
that.
the sounds of it, if you have to hit the button he's talking about, you got a lot bigger of an issue on your hands.
Yeah.
That's just the way it
that's true.
sounds. These do show up on the panel in the basement.
Shows up in the panel.
Shows.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
On the annunciator panel, you'll only see what zone is in trouble, but if you
Okay.
go to the physical panel in the basement, it should say this smoke is giving me issues.
So I can identify that location.
Correct.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. Have the baseboard heaters because it does, because it is not, just because it's not showing on the exterior wall.
I'm so tired of stairs.
This side, I realize there's no baseboard heaters here compared to the other fire exit staircase. Yeah. What's the reason for that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tyler might know, or electrical might know.
Yeah. It's okay, I'll just ask.
It's a good safety.
Okay, so it's water heater plus storage at one.
Yeah.
For your, okay, for hot water.
Yeah, yeah.
Gas water.
Yeah, do like the sidewall, research pump there.
Okay. Do we have a carbon monoxide alarm here?
damper, no?
Smoke detector.
Smoke detector, is it also carbon monoxide as well?
These aren't gas furnaces, so they don't need that. They're electric.
This is electric.
This is gas.
This is gas.
So,
You don't
yeah,
need
so
that.
there won't be any carbon monoxide in the, shouldn't be, because there's
Okay.
no natural gas.
This is what?
This is an air handler.
Air handling unit, okay.
That does cooling as well.
And it services which area?
I just did the refrigeration, I don't know.
Yeah, this serves like a bit of the laundry room. Yeah, this whole like middle area in the laundry room. beside it.
I didn't see where the dark one on that.
Different, because it's the mechanic room, doesn't go to the common area, it goes into the suite. Okay, so it doesn't go into a common hallway. So now you can have regular fire. So behind that door, you have a fire damper, you see there's a tag on it saying it was tested by or
DFC.
DFC, same with the other one. So all of a sudden, if you decide, and fusible links do deteriorate, okay? I don't know how long you guys been doing this.
Yeah.
But they deteriorate, so if you come here, furnace keeps on going on high limit, check the fire dampers.
Check the fire dampers.
Check the filters, then check the fire dampers. Because more than likely, the link went on a fire damper. And so,
Where's
that
the
thing will
access
work.
for the filter here? They have to open the
No.
panel here?
This one has a filter. Does it have a filter in the bottom of it? It's a screw hole for filter rack, I think. I don't know. It probably has filter grills. Like
Oh yeah.
Oh, the one at the bottom. So it's a washable filter.
No, this would be should be a throwaway. I don't know. Yeah, this is a throwaway filter.
A throwaway, okay.
Yeah. So. I might touch it right now.
This is for the common area.
Oh, okay. This is for all building or only for?
So this is a filter.
You're talking about this or this? The not the suites. It's for like the
Staircase.
Yeah, and then laundry room beside us.
Oh, there's a laundry room.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what I missed.
So that's like why these are fire dampers on fire smokes because they don't exit to a path of egress. That would have to be fire smoke.
Okay.
These are just fire.
You have one that goes from the mechanical room, it's like a big C shoots that way. and goes down the-
So yeah, maintenance on this would just be, this will tell you if something's wrong. And then this can plug up over time. So just double check that. I'd say 6 months.
Every 6 months we have to
Yeah.
replace it.
Yeah, exactly.
Only the quarters.
Okay. We have to how's called replace water and how's called make it empty.
Yeah, like these, they open up like this will click out of here.
Mhm.
You can take it right out, and then open these up, and then just pour it out. And then sometimes you have to wash the media or get new media depending how grimy it gets. But unlikely.
I mean, for maintenance this boiler, actual boiler, have we like drain water
Well, I mean,
time to time or?
they say you should do it once a year, but I don't know that anybody ever does.
Yeah.
It's like alternate tie-in points.
Oh.
So you can tie into here if you want. There's ones on the back too. So it's like, depending on the room, you get to pick which one to use and plug off the others.
The hot water basement of the old house.
Oh, okay.
So that is another tank that we look at, but this one is for this. Now it's just the electric.
So this with a recirc system supplies this whole new side. So all hot water comes from here in the new building. In the existing house, separate hot water tank in the basement for the house only.
This is a speed of this pump, yeah?
Recirc pump, yes.
No reserve. No reserve.
I mean, like, we can, for example, during like winter, that winter, we can put it on 3 or it
Well, I
shouldn't.
mean, this is like for your hot water out of your sinks. So winter, I mean, I don't know if you want hotter water in winter. If
No.
that's the thing, then yeah.
I mean, we can change the speed, yeah, and
Yeah.
it's not okay. Like,
Absolutely, you can. Yeah.
okay. Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Shut off.
Yeah. Disconnect here for the pump too, so you can, if you ever need to work on the pump, you can turn it off.
Oh, see, yeah.
But you kind of want it running all the time.
This is for pump and
Yeah.
the
That's
second
for the hot water tank.
for
the hot water.
Oh, we should be careful. Yeah.
Yeah, it should be labeled maybe.
Okay. Pump tank.
Yeah, you can just trace the wire.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Neutralize before it goes to the sewer.
Okay. Check this one. Time to time drained and replace it.
What do you think is the life expectancy of this thing? Like, we have a camera here as well.
There's a camera right there, there's actually one right above you there, and there is another one, you can barely see the wire, it's tied around the striker.
So each floor has a camera.
Almost every floor has a pallet.
Or on the third floor, right?
This is third, yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is where.
This is probably the only unit that's kind of special, just because if we had.
Yeah.
So that's the same style that's in all the ceilings of the bathrooms.
Yeah. Are we covering the cables here, or is just exposed like that? Okay.
That's the low voltage.
Low voltage. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Condensate. This is a pump, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, not too much. Not too much there. This, if the float sticks, this can overflow, but I don't know. They've been commissioned. These work great.
And this also
Readily
without sensor,
available. Yeah.
like it starts dripping. Okay.
Okay? They're all identical.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh, you see these locks?
You drain to the pump, right? You pull this down, right? There's your filters,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Washable, go back in. Your core, you pull that lever. Once the door is down, it's slid off. It slides off. One of the ways you gotta hit it, give it a hit and it'll come right off. I don't want to hit it hard to put it down, but it slides right off.
Okay.
Once you're done, it shuts down as soon as you open it. There's your fan switch. Okay, once you're done cleaning, check your filter once a year. Clean those, dispose those reusable filters. You're done.
When you mention about core, what's the core on that high?
As I said, well, I have it open. You have your filter. You have your filter. You have a core.
Okay.
The air, exhaust air or fresh air is going this way. That's outside air coming in. It gets filtered, comes across. Picks it. Here's your exhaust grill. This is exhausting from each grill that's in here. Hits a filter so you don't put dust through the coil. The exhaust air comes across, goes out to this fan, blows outside. So the heat's coming across this way. 30 below air is coming this way, comes back and it feeds back into the space.
So they don't need to clean the core.
They don't need to clean the core.
Yeah.
Okay.
As I just finished saying, how we did it, not
every 4
more.
months.
You check the filters to clean them.
Every 4 months.
Once a year, you pull the core out and check to see if it's clean.
Like pull, we can remove it.
You just, I showed you, there's a clip right here. You push the clip and it drops down.
Oh, okay.
Then you slide it back up. That's it.
Okay.
When we wash the filter, can we put it back wet, or we have to dry it off?
You should dry it off.
Dry it off, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Is it also on the
So they're all below. Yeah.
below as well?
Yeah, for the well, because like I said, it'll show on the plans. We couldn't put any water lines in this ceiling space, obviously. So that was the change.
That's why I can't.
And each, like
And then
third floor
obviously,
is one, right?
every fixture has its own shut off
Yeah.
as well.
Okay. Only 3 units here, right?
Yes.
Yeah, one.
3 bathrooms.
3 bathrooms.
One coil for this unit. Oh, coil.
Since the sprinkler head outside the stair,
Bill?
terrace, I might have to request for a cover because they might play ball there or whatever.
Yeah, like some net, like we have to put here some metal cover, yeah, like grill.
Yeah, the box of filters is down there. Oh,
Yeah.
here it is.
That's the access valve, yeah.
Ah,
Water. Are all, what do you call this one?
What kind of pipe?
Yeah.
So I think it's horizontal.
PEX type A.
Text type A.
Yeah.
For your drain, what did you use?
PVC, yeah.
PVC. Okay. What's the connection like? Is it all like the Fernco?
No, it's mostly glue, like
Glue?
solvent
Okay.
weld. Yeah.
Yeah, because we've had problems with those Ferncos.
Yeah.
It moves. Especially on hidden walls and everything.
Yeah, there is some Ferncos, like to adapt from one type to another, you have to use
The
them.
adapter, okay, yeah.
Yeah. And then water lines, I think there's copper for the bigger lines, and then it goes to PEX A
Okay.
for runouts.
Anything bigger than 1 inch was copper. And then
Anything bigger than that?
So this floor is just 2 suites and an electrical room. I don't know if you want to go through another suite. Because then
Have you been able to go to the other rooms though? Is it okay?
oh, you can definitely wander. Yeah, go for it.
Just go check.
Yeah, so this is like a copy of the one we.
Oh, it's the same one. Actually.
Ah,
it's the same one. I was referring to the old.
Prints done this morning.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't wasn't able to check it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the same one. It's just
The only difference is this would be for like a wheelchair person.
But it's be bigger.
Yeah, so if there's anything that you guys need to do in the sink, obviously you'll have to take panel off. So it's on, the shutoff's on first and third.
First and third.
Yeah,
Okay.
for the bathroom.
not second, okay.
Not second. So it's gonna be the same thing here, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is more handy capable though, right? So the shrouds, if you need to turn the water off, you gotta take the shroud off first, of course. But there's shut-offs there, the shower again also has shut-offs, and then the shut-off is in the ceiling.
So shut off, for example, first and second floor is
Yes.
from first floor?
Yes.
Third and fourth from third floor?
Yes.
Okay.
And everything's on top of a false ceiling, so it's easily
It's just open up.
open.
And then, like I said, on the other side, if we go to the other side, we have outside of the bathroom, there's an access panel here.
Okay.
And that's where the shut-offs are.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Would that be loud? Have you heard when it was raining?
To be honest, when it rains heavily, you can hear it more in this corridor
You can hear it more.
than that rainwater in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a different, does not come from this side. So even though you can access the third floor from this side, the water lines are associated with the hot water tank and
Oh, the old building.
From the old
building. Okay.
House is the house.
But that can be seen on the plan, right?
Oh yeah.
Like this is just your electrical room, which we'll go through next time with the electricians and
Oh,
everything.
sure.
Each individual unit has a meter.
100%.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's metered.
Just your elevator, stairwell, and then that's just another suite.
Is this connected to the front stairwell? Oh no, because it's a new building. Yeah. Just confusing.
Yeah.
Because this one has the front staircase.
That only takes you to those 2 units.
only takes those two.
Yeah. And then there's 9 units actually. You have your electrical panel and stuff up there, your annunciator. We'll go through that with the electrician. This is just another suite if you want to wander through it quickly.
Oh,
Yes.
That's it.
Is it accessible suite or?
yeah.
This is a fully accessible.
Fully accessible.
Yeah. So the kitchen will have the 45 degrees underneath. Yeah. And even if you go into the bathroom, these 2 suites on the main floor have the roll-in showers. They're the only 2 roll-in showers on the project.
It's a big unit.
Well, for what?
Circulating is the hot water, right?
Okay. And another hatch I saw here in Korea.
Always there.
Yeah,
hallway.
that's the bathroom.
For the bathroom.
Yes.
Okay.
And then
this
there's
one.
also, when we go to the other side, I'll show you there's an access down to the bouncing valves.
Okay.
Shut off valve is this one for the hot water line.
Those are already set. I was able to find
It's a new gen.
Some pump would be here.
Yes. Off the top of my head, this is the elevator soffit, and this is your exterior, like ground water. Yeah. And he's currently wiring them. You'll have 2 controllers on the wall, 1 for each.
Yeah, that would be labeled too, right? For elevator.
Yeah, we'll definitely put a label on it. And then you just have a mop sink, and that's all.
Okay, I think this space is big enough for my guy for
Yeah.
office.
And you do have an exhaust fan in here. It's above ceiling, but there is exhaust fan for this.
Exhaust fan, not HRV.
There's an exhaust fan.
It's an exhaust fan. It goes straight out of the building.
Let me confirm that. From this room,
Okay.
and it takes it all the way up to 5 and goes out the exterior wall.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Separate line.
It goes up 65 feet and straight out.
It has a separate switch for the exhaust.
Only one switch is shown in here, so I'm going to wire it so that when these lights come on, the exhaust fan comes on.
Or do you want it on 24/7?
I think I need better to have a switch though. I can leave it on, but I want it to have a control.
He can wire it so it comes on with the lights, but
It can come on with the light. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
thank you.
Yeah, that's fine.
So it can work. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
No, this is now the back side. So this is the smaller unit. This is the 2-bedroom unit on the main floor. So this is the same accessible suite where you got the roll-in shower right there.
Yeah. Shut offs are in here. Here, right above there.
Water here.
And then over here, just so you're aware of it. Yeah, sure. You really need to worry about it, but there's an access panel here. That's where the balancing valves are.
Balancing valve.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So from both sides of the recirc come in, then they go up into the 3rd floor, and both of them have a balancing valve on either side.
Okay.
Okay. They're already set. They should be good. But if for whatever reason you need,
That's the word.
that's for
The entire building.
for this
new building.
Yes. Yeah, basically all the hot lines come down there and then back to the hot water tank.
That's right.
Right?
Josh. Josh,
Yeah.
what shut-offs were in this one?
Same thing, it's just the other side.
Okay, so
Yeah. Kitchens
so that's the kitchen shut-offs up there.
and the recirc.
Okay.
On them, so there's shut offs in the ceiling spaces as well.
Right above it.
Yeah, they might have like little screw stops in them.
Yeah. But I don't know if those ones might not.
The fire protection pipe and everything will be on the electrical commissioning.
Like
The fire
sprinklers?
pump, yeah, those things.
That'll be its own shop dry. You'll get a sprinkler shop dry of its own.
Okay.
Yeah. Like this bulkhead's so big, there's actually a hidden sprinkler head in this bulkhead, so those will actually be shown on their shops.
We'll also do a commissioning for that one, or are we?
We
part
can
of
definitely request one, yes. There's not much for them to show you
Yeah.
because if anything ever goes wrong, you just have to call them anyways.
that? And CKG or CKP, whatever, they're doing that one, right? The fire testing, fire life.
We're doing the third-party life safety.
Third party life.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Watch your head here. It's a tight stairwell. I hit my head a couple of times. You should probably leave the hard hat on, honestly.
I have a hard time looking at it.
Oh, I've done it. I've hit my head there a couple times. So this is obviously the drains that are all exposed here. That's gonna need a clean out there.
It's all good. That's pretty good. Yeah.
So the only mechanical connection is right here. The cast coming through the floor.
The cast coming up.
Right.
That's
That's it.
yeah.
After that, pretty much everything is all this.
Yeah, it's not crucial.
Yeah. Hot water tank is in here.
It was Smith.
Okay. Yeah. Electric. Shut off is here.
Okay, electrical panel.
It took out the old boiler. The old. I don't know if you call it a boiler.
Yeah, that was a boiler.
That's a
Yeah,
boiler.
there's all hydronic heating in here before.
Hydraulic heating,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Can turn it off
That's
for.
shut off right there.
But this is for water.
That's the cold, yeah.
Yeah, I mean like electrical part.
Oh, electrical, I'm not sure.
Switch.
I think there's a box there that might
The electrician, probably right here.
Oh, but it's like wires or breakers should be there.
I'm not sure. This would be electrical.
Yeah, you have to.
Enclosed switch.
Oh. Mhm.
Yeah, we'll have to check with electrical on that. I see they've got another.
I mean, like if we need
Moving the old fan.
turn off it for emergency cases.
To turn off the power?
Yeah, turn off
Yeah.
power.
Again, you'd have to check with the electrician. I don't know what he's done here.
Okay, yeah, we'll
Looks
check
like
it.
here it's off.
Ah, like this. Okay, yeah, probably like this.
Yeah, the
Okay.
tank's definitely off.
And
And over here, we have a backwater valve here. In case this is literally only for this this one mop sink. So there's a backwater valve in here. This is supposed to be a solid cap.
So just to protect it from sewer backup.
Yeah. So no sewer backup.
The only subsoil drainage. And then that's a backflow preventer. Has to get tested once
That's
a
the
year.
one that will be tested. Okay.
Yeah, once a year. It's tagged out. It's been tested already.
Do I have a separate domestic backflow preventer?
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. That's just one.
Yeah. And for that outdoor spigot as well here, there's a shut off right here for that.
Oh, so this is the back part of the
This is the front of the building.
Oh, front. Tama, right. Front and back. That's right. Front and back.
And this, they got to build a wall out here for us still for this mop sink. So it's not in yet, but there is a mop sink.
They're putting a wall in.
Hard
This is the last room.
hard to pull the pail out from here.
Yeah.
That's difficult with water.
Well, you got in the basement, main floor, and fifth floor. So
Okay.
hopefully that's good enough. You only got to take it all the way.
This one.
Just HRV.
HRV.
Yeah, this is what we do.
We'll have a lot of the filters. Just the old house.
For old building.
The old building.
Yeah.
Okay. The other one that we saw is for the new building.
Yes, that one has recirculation limit, so
Has
it
recirc-
spins the main.
Will be put here.
Fire monitoring.
So yeah, here Protec will be putting their device here. Yeah. So we would have a radio instead of a internet connection. A radio, so GSM, and the backup would be a radio, AES radio.
Bathroom there. Shut offs are in here.
Mm-hmm.
In there. So.
Fan coil here, HRV here.
Yeah. And then also same thing. Obviously they're not in yet, but they'll be shut offs here, here. There.
Yeah, everything.
No, it's on one of the ProQuest 9. So that's it, like checked like 3 or 4 times at that 9.
That's the original blast.
Oh, yeah.
Here, you can see it. Yeah. That's the cold line. And then the gas one below it.
Do you know if that meter has a, what do you call that? It's like something like a radio that the reader can get it from.
They're on the side.
Can't really access them
Condensers.
right now, but there's 2 there.
Oh.
So that's for the first and second floor.
First
And then on the other side there's one by itself, and that's for the third floor.
That's for the
third floor. Yeah, the far one's for the third floor.
This is for the old
So first and second, and third floor other
We'll
side.
be putting some new covering over the pipes because they're putting in next week.
Uh-huh.